Hello everyone, welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for joining me today. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today, we continue our storytelling journey. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 7. Today's story is called The Empty Notebook. Let's begin. There was a young man named Daniel. Daniel bought a beautiful notebook. It had a clean white cover, smooth pages, and a perfect design. He was excited. He said, "I will use this notebook to improve my English." But there was a problem. He didn't write anything. Day after day, the notebook stayed empty. Why? Because Daniel wanted everything to be perfect. He thought, my handwriting should be perfect. My sentences should be perfect. My grammar should be perfect. So he waited. One day, his sister saw the notebook. She asked, "Why is it still empty?" Daniel replied, "I don't want to make mistakes." His sister smiled and took the notebook. She opened the first page and wrote one sentence. It was not perfect. There was a small mistake. Daniel said, "Hey, that's wrong." She laughed and said, "That's how learning begins." Daniel stayed quiet. That moment changed something. That night, he opened the notebook again. He looked at the first page. A simple sentence. Not perfect, but it was a start. He picked up his pen and wrote his first line. Slowly, carefully, with mistakes. The next day, he wrote again. And again, and again. Days passed. The notebook was no longer empty. It was full of words, sentences, mistakes, and improvements. Daniel learned something important. Perfection is not the beginning. Practice is. Mistakes are not failures. They are part of learning. And one day, he flipped through the pages. He saw his progress. From simple words to better sentences. From fear to confidence. And he smiled, because he finally started. And that is the lesson of today's story. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Write, speak, practice, even if you make mistakes. Because an empty page never teaches anything. But a page full of mistakes can change your life. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 7 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.